Solve for x. So, meron tayong marking dito. Meaning niyan ay right angle. Kapag right angle lang, ang measure ng angle na yun ay 90 degree. So, kunin natin yun dito. So, paano gagawin? So, add muna natin lahat ito. Okay, so measuring angle R is 90 degree. And then equals natin sa 360. So, 15x plus 90 plus 95 plus 85 is equal to 360. And then combine similar terms. So, 90 plus 95 plus 85, that is 270. So, lipat natin dito sa kabilang side. So, may iwan dito sa left side, 15x, and then 15x is equal to 90. Solve for x divide natin both equations by 15. So, 90 divide 15, yung sagot natin ay 6. So, kung kukunin natin yung measure ni angle Q, so substitute lang natin. So, 15x or 15 times 6, papalitan yung x. So, ibig sabihin this is 90. So, ang measure ng angle natin is 90 degree.